Have you ever heard that eating carrots can give you super night vision, just like a cat? It sounds like a secret superpower hidden in your lunchbox. Today, we're going to find out if carrots really help us see in the dark. The secret ingredient in carrots is something called beta-carotene. Once you eat it, your amazing body turns it into vitamin A, which is like premium fuel for your eyes. It's the most important vitamin for keeping your peepers healthy. Deep inside your eyes, you have tiny sensors called rods that help you see when it's dim. Vitamin A helps these rods catch even the smallest bits of light. Without it, your eyes would have a really hard time finding your way in the shadows. Think of vitamin A like a battery charger for your eyes. Carrots don't give you extra powers like X-ray vision, but they make sure your natural night vision is working at 100%. It's all about keeping your eye batteries full. Did you know this supervision story started as a trick? During World War II, the British Army told everyone their pilots ate carrots to see in the dark, just to hide a secret new invention called radar. It was a clever way to keep a big secret. Carrots aren't the only heroes on the plate. Sweet potatoes, spinach, and eggs are also packed with the same eye-strengthening vitamins. Eating a rainbow of veggies makes sure your eyes are ready for any adventure, day or night. So while you might not become a nighttime superhero overnight, carrots definitely help you see your best. Keep eating those crunchy veggies to stay strong and healthy. What's your favorite way to eat a carrot?